Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn magnetic effects of electric current together, step by step. An electric current creates magnetism. We'll explore magnetic fields, electromagnets, and the principles behind the motor and the generator. A current-carrying wire is surrounded by a magnetic field. Field lines form closed loops, concentric circles around a straight wire. A coil of wire carrying current, a solenoid, behaves like a bar magnet. Placing an iron core inside makes a powerful electromagnet. A current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences a force, with direction given by Fleming's left-hand rule. This force is what spins an electric motor. The reverse also works. Moving a magnet near a coil induces a current, electromagnetic induction. A generator uses this to turn motion into electricity. To recap, current makes a magnetic field. A solenoid with iron is an electromagnet. The force on a conductor drives a motor, and induction drives a generator. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.